How to speed up your computer. Reduce the amount of apps that open at startup. Click on Start button and type Task Manager and open it. In Task Manager, click Startup tab. If you see a program you don't want to run at startup, right-click it and choose Disable. Disable Windows Special Effects. Click the Start button and type Control Panel and open it. In Control Panel, click on System option. Then click Advanced System Settings. On the System Properties window, make sure you are on the Advanced tab and click Settings. Here you can manually turn off special effects or just click Adjust for best performance. Then click Apply and OK. Click OK. Turn off Window Transparency Effect. Click on Start button and then click Settings icon. In Settings, click Personalization option. Click Colors option. And turn off Transparency Effect by sliding the switch to the left. Run your computer at full power. Click on Start button and type Control Panel and open it. In Control Panel, click Power Options. For the best overall processing speed, choose High Performance. If you're not seeing High Performance option in your computer, then you have to create it manually. By clicking on Create a New Plan and choose High Performance option and name it as High Performance. Click Next, then click Create. Keep Windows up to date. Click on Start button and click Settings icon. In Settings, click Update and Security. Make sure you have already connected to the internet. Click Check for updates. Turn off tips and notifications. Click on Start button and click Settings icon. In Settings, click System and then click Notifications and Actions. Turn off notifications by sliding the switch to the left and uncheck the Get Tips, Tricks and Suggestions as you use Windows. Update device drivers. Click on Start button and type Device Manager and open it. Then expand the Any driver and right-click Date driver. Make sure you have already connected to the internet. Then click Search automatically for drivers. Defrag your hard disk. Click on Start button and type Defragment and Optimize drives and open it. After this, you need to select the disk you want to optimize. Select Disk and click on Optimize button.